This is Michael Gershman with North Beach Community TV and NorthBeachNow.com with Diane Solem, the General Manager of the Ocean Shores Convention Center.
Hi, Michael. How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Good. I'm really excited to unveil our newest art addition to the City of Ocean Shores. Last week we talked about the beautiful mural on the Convention Center wall, and I'm so glad that we have an artistic community here and that we're starting to showcase the art. So this fish is a design that was come up with a local artist that we'll show you in the near future, Abe, and it is intended to hold recycled plastic bottles and cans and hopefully help to keep trash off of the beach. And I believe that our mayor has mentioned that we'll be having a Name the Fish contest coming up soon too.
Joining us now is Ocean Shores Mayor Crystal Dingler to put the first bottle into the recycling fish.
Hi there. It's really exciting to be here today to do this. I am very much in favor of recycling. And as you know, there's been a lot of stuff in the streets lately, and we want to keep our community as clean as possible. So let me have the privilege of putting the first recycled bottle in.
Diane, how long has this recycling fish been in the planning and design? Or when did it start?
I'm going to say about 6 months ago, we did some research and saw that other beach communities had some really good luck with the fish just taking some recycled plastic and cans off of the streets, and so we thought it might be a great idea to look for our beautiful little city too.
Joining us now is Abe Singer, the Grays Harbor local artist who created the recycle fish.
Great to be here.
Abe, how long did it take you to make this fish?
Right around 2 months.
And is this a local fish that would be found in our local seas?
Yeah, I kind of averaged and took features I liked of many different rockfish that are local to this area.
So it's a rockfish recycle fish.
Exactly, yes.
I noticed it seems rusted.
Yeah, and the rust patina will mature over time and develop and even out. So it's going to change, and that'll be kind of what's interesting about it too.
Abe, so how did you get to be part of this project?
So Diane reached out to me looking for an artist who could come up with something that could be used as a recycler as well. And this has just been an amazing thing to be part of, because what a great cause, keeping plastics out of the ocean. It's always more meaningful when your art can have a real social benefit.